Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make the soap as I promised in the other video. So now let's get started.
We'll be doing the star shape.
Yeah, so the mold that we're using is obviously the star shape.
Okay, so what will we need?
So we're going to need the scent, coconut scent, papaya, whatever, 2 blocks of soap. Okay, so we also need 2 color tablets. So I want to go with this. Oh my god! Finally, I got one. And I have to go. There we go. So we also need 2 tablets, 2 color tablets, and amazingly, the glitter! So I'm going to have them right here. So what we need to do is we need to microwave the soap for
10 seconds.
Yeah, 10 seconds. And then, so guys, we are going to go to the oven and put this in and melt it for 10 seconds.
Be careful.
So guys, the soap dissolved because we put it in for about like 3 or 4 times, and now to make it smell good, we're going to add the wonderful papaya coconut scent. So I'm going to get one and add it.
That's it.
Okay. I'm going to stir and stir and stir.
And then put the glitter on the mold. It's hardening. I think we need to hurry up because it's getting hard.
Yeah. Okay. How do you open this?
I think we need to put it back in the oven.
So guys, I just put the glitter in and now it hasn't hardened, so you're lucky. Now I'm going to carefully pour it in. So go. So it's going up. Now this is what it looks like. We're going to see what next. So guys, now for the next one, we are going to make a kitty with glasses. So as usual, the papaya scent. But now we have 3 color tablets. So I decided to make purple, but there's no purple, so I decided to make purple and 3 blocks of base. So now let's put everything what we need into the bowl. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for 10 seconds. So guys, I'm mixing it right now. So
Turn into purple.
Yeah. And it's really hot. So yeah.
There's a color there.
That's pink. So I'm going to make sure it's mixed up and really dissolve, and hopefully it'll turn out good.
Is the bowl still hot? I'm gonna pour it.
Okay. Mom's going to pour it because
Here, remove the...
it might be really hot. Yeah. Someone's going to pour it in right now. There it goes, dripping sweet. Be careful, Mom. Mom, I need to put the eggs. So, guys, the other ones are starting to cool. Now we're going to make another one. This looking tile thing. This one. That one. Well, it says in the book it's called a peace sign. Anyways, you need 3 tablets, color tablets, and there's something. Dump it in. So now let's put it. So I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'll see you later. So guys, I have the color. Well, the pink, orange, and red will actually turned out good, I guess. It has like a peachy color. So can you pour it in, please? So I'm going to do it on the thin line that's that big. So Mom's going to help me with that. You should pour it in right now.
So we're gonna just wait for that to harden.
Yeah.
Before we're gonna put the other one.
Cut it, but save it as well. Right now we need to add 1 more color and 1 more block. So we decided to do the green. So let's put it in. Now it's time to mix and make it more smooth so we can pour it inside.
Did it harden already?
Yeah, it's hardened. So now we're going to pour this in. Oh shit, it's hardening. Again. So it's going pretty well right now. So guys, now we are going to use the leftovers, except this. Don't look at this. Going to use the purple and the yellow, like this. So let's, I guess, no, sprinkle it in. Going to put it in. Okay. So I'm gonna spray it now.
Don't put everything, just a few of that and then a few of the yellow.
Just like half of it. So I guess this is half of it. Going to sprinkle it in here and see how it goes. And then just
don't press it. It needs to be scattered.
Wait, then how is it going to harden?
Okay, because we're gonna melt the white one and then pour it in. Okay.
So this is how much you would need. Going to put it in there and put this in. Pie set. The pie. Shall we put some more? So guys, it's really clean now, and we're going to put it inside. Now, Dion needs to take this one. Let's put it inside. There we go.
It's nice.
Yep, perfect. I have to wait for it to dry. It's gonna be cool, like a doodle. Now,
maybe we're gonna do the same thing on that one. We're gonna melt maybe 3.
And then maybe
3 blocks.
And then put some color. Let's put some color. Some more color. Gonna take the red and little bit and maybe the pink. Shall we? Okay. Pink. So guys, now it is dissolved and perfect. So let's pour it in here. Hopefully it ends up good. Okay, that would be enough. Yeah, paid it to go ring. So guys, it made like this kind of orange color. What's that called again? Like, so guys, these are our beautiful soaps. So we're going to wait for a little while for this one and this one. Wait, this one is actually kind of cool. But anyways, we're going to let them cool and it will be great. So see you guys in a few minutes. So guys, we put the fish in and we made it, but the pack is still hot. And we haven't put the ribbon just yet. So I'm going to help Mom do it, or Mom's going to do it herself. So right now Mom is putting it. So I'm letting Mom do it. And Mom's going to tie it. Very tight with a little piece of bow. There we go. And there it is. Cute little pepper fish leaves. So, going to put that. So guys, look what me and Mama got. Some tattoos from the stickers for the soaps. Mama got a love heart smiley face. And I got a little bitty kitty. So guys, we have a surprise. Soap stuff in here. So first of all, that finish is this. We have the peace out sign. I don't know how it's called, a peace out sign. Oh, let me see. So here it is. We made it like an orange color, and then we made a brownish type of color at the back where we were putting it on. So moving on to the next one, the kitty. It was hard to put the face on, so it ended up not getting the face, so yeah. And we did this one, the fishy, in the bag. Horses in the bag. And one of all, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So this would be my favorite, except it's wrecked at the back. But that's okay, but it's still my favorite. It looked pretty cool. Wait, I'll look through it. But this one didn't turn out well. But I guess the bottle was pretty good. Like, except that big bite right there. I like the glitter. The reason why it went out like this, because it was hard to like get out from the mold. Naughty mold, I hate you. And this one, I thought this would come out really well, and this would be one of my favorites and special one, but ended up kind of messy. But the color looks nice, except the style. So these are all of the beautiful soaps. I might be giving one to my friends. So yeah. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and bye!